Hello
everyone, it's Madison and Maddie from Spectrum Art.
Thank you for the intro. Wow. We almost went jinx there for a second. Okay, so we are going to share this finished file folder pocket album.
Yeah.
We're going to be uploading, or actually should be uploaded by now, this one. And we had done this one previously. This is where it all started. So I'll link these below too if you want to get some more ideas on different finishes and different pockets, because they're all kind of different. So, but let's take a look at this one. Okay, this one is the chunkiest of them all. It's a chunky monkey. So, well, the good news is that paper stretches. So over time it will close a little bit easier, but right now it's kind of tight. So, word to the wise, make sure that you give yourself plenty of room. This one has a different closure than the other two because this one has brads for closures. And it's got a little star in the front and it says, "This life belongs to." In the back, we have, you know what, let's do it like we did the last one. Let's unload it so that we can also see how much stuff is in here. Okay, so on this one, it says, "Make the rest of your life the best of your life." And it's really pretty and it's been distressed. So let's start here. And in the back, we've got a nice big journaling card, and they've all been reinforced with cardstock as well in the back. And it opens this way. Oh, I should have shared the pocket line. That one is paper line. That one is this one. It's Recollections. Paper pad. Does it have a name? Just paper pad?
Block de paper.
De papier. No, that's French, honey.
Oh.
But I guess that is the name. That's odd. Okay, never mind. But anyway, you guys get the idea. And I shown this one briefly before. So lots of great papers. But let's get into this so it doesn't go on too long. We open up. And we have double pockets. And hang on, baby. Let me go ahead and explain it. We, on this one, use the opportunity for these right here to become pockets as well. So we went ahead and, of course, did our pull. Well, let me start unloading from the front. We've got one there. We've got this cute little girl. She's actually sitting in that front pocket. Oh, you want to take her out? Okay. So we'll take her out. And we've got, on the center pocket, we've got another big journaling card. We've got a tag. We've got the library card. And we've got these kiddos, again, hanging out in the front pocket. So this is what I mean. You've got this pocket, right? And then you've got this right here is another pocket. And the same thing with all three. Okay. Then on this side, we've got, currently, I am eating, reading, watching, making, loving, and discovering. So a good place to write some journaling thoughts. And a picture maybe on the back or a poem. And we've got another one of those. Then we've got, then we've got our pull out there. A pull out here. And I should have removed that paper clip. It would have made it easier. And then another large journal card there in the back, right? All right, so that was the front. So you can see just how much you can pack into these. Then we go ahead and open up this way. And we've got these, one second, baby. I'm doing this layer first. Thank you. We've got here these really cool round paper clips, which we've used to mount 2 of those. On the other one, I had made pockets, and on the pink one, I had made some flip outs. So again, see how you can mix and match and just, do whatever works for you or whatever you'd like to do, experiment with it. Here's another one of those. Side cards, here's another one of that side card. Here's a large one. Here's a large one. There you go, double-sided. And this one's kind of neat because I found this is like cardstock, but it actually feels almost like cardboard or butcher paper. It's kind of neat, the feel to it. I'm not sure where I've got it though. Now, yes, honey. You want to pull? Okay, thank you. This one, we've got another large one there. Well, this one's a medium one. This is a large one. This one's really cool because you could actually write stuff on it. And then we've got a handsome young man in there hanging out. We've got 2 on this side. 2 on this side. And this one says this book belongs to live will be an awfully big adventure. Yes, indeed. Enjoy every day. And then we've got our pullouts here, one here, and another big one in the center. And you can see here's the base, right? Like we keep talking about in that last video that I showed you guys how to make the base. If you haven't seen that and you want to learn how to make the base for this, then I will be sure to link those other videos below. And these are, like I said, these really cool round paper clips. See? Really neat. But they definitely lend a little bit of whimsical in there, and it's a great way. And they can be, of course, all of these can be mixed and matched and moved around any which way. But you can see, once again, the amount of stuff that can fit inside these little file folder. Here's some large ones, large one, large. I mean, look at all that writing room and mounting room. Here's another large one. Here's another one. Then we move on to some tags and tabs. Look how many there are. And this one's a little bit more masculine. I mean, it does have some teal and some, or maybe more vintage is what I should say, than the other ones. And then we still have room for small ones and even some folks to hang out with. So all of that fits into this just one file folder. And again, this has got that closure where we could actually, you know, use some twine to tie it in. Okay, so I will link those other ones below. So if you want to learn how to make these, how to create the base, and how to cut them out, that will be linked below. But we hope you have enjoyed this one. A little bit of a different look, some different pockets on here than the other two. So hopefully we have given you guys some more ideas.
Bye.
All right, bye. Have a blessed day, folks.